Hello, lovely people. So as promised, I'm going to be doing some educational videos on different communities and how they migrated. This is an educational forum. It is not a debate forum. This is not an academic discussion forum. This is TikTok. I just happen to be using TikTok to give free education. If you think that I am wrong, you are welcome to stitch me and debate. And if you come with the respect that's owed me as a human being, I might respond. Housekeeping out of the way, today we're going to talk about Celts. So if you go far back enough, the Celts are actually part of the Proto-Indo-European language group. And this is why we can find some of the same root word bases in Irish Gaelic as we do in languages in North India. As you can see here, these all branched off of the same Proto-European group. This Proto-European group, language group, is actually something we see as far back as Mesopotamia. They actually invaded the Ur area. This picture I got off of My True Ancestry, and what I like about it is that it shows the tribes pre-Roman occupation and colonization, and this is probably a couple thousand years. As you can see, we have the Parisi, which is where we get Paris from, right in the middle there, but they're also over in Britain. And you also see where the Iceni are over in Britain currently in this map, but the Pictones, the Picts, are starting down lower. Of course, they eventually migrate into what we know of as Scotland today, and so on and so forth. I like different maps like these because they can show me where different people were at different times, and because I know my genetics, I can trace them to specific tribes, which means that I can trace where my ancestry was at specific times. I liked this because this is actually the Picts and their migration into Scotland. So there's a couple of takeaways from this video. One of them is that many of us come from Proto-Indo-European languages that we don't even realize. Words are the same up in Ireland as they are down in North India. Parisi, Parsi, Paris. I often wonder if this is why we all have very similar god pantheons, is because we all got our pantheon from a farther back thought process. Now, during this time, the Germanic tribes were all in there as well, so please understand that just because it says the Celts are in the area, that there were not Germanic tribes there as well. And that's all in 3 minutes. Ask questions, I'll answer.